Hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how you can track your sales on Stockx. So viewing your sales is very important and analyzing them is a part of you being a good commercial. So how can we track our sales and basically analyze them? So here from Stockx we have the magazine, which is basically a place where you can find articles, etc. And here they explain to you how you can view your sales history on Stockx Pro. So this article is part 8 of 8 in the series Getting Started with Stockx Pro, and here you can view information from your past sales in the history section of your Stockx Pro. As you can see, this is an image and it shows you exactly, for example, here like the item that has been sold, and basically here the size, order number, sale price, and sale date. So you can literally here see and analyze the article that has been sold the most. For example, here you can find that Chicago Lost and Found is, or Jordan Retro High OG is the one that is basically sold the most. You can check even the sizes, the price that has been sold with it, here the dates, and you can analyze the whole thing in here. So this is very important because here you will be able to literally compare the product and check them out, and this is going to be right here. So for those who doesn't know how to get to this page, you can literally go here, click on your profile and click on selling, and this should take you to the selling page where you'll find all the products. So you can click on any individual order to view the payout breakdown, including your ask fees, payouts, and sale date. You can search, sorting, and filter which are very available. So you can, for example, here filter by size, the smallest size to the biggest size, etc. So yeah, this is basically how you can track any order that you have within Stockx. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming videos.